Okay, now today we will start learning about assembly language programming of 8051 microcontroller. Now, as you know, like any assembly level instruction, language instruction consists of mnemonic. Now, what is mnemonic? Mnemonic is an abbreviation which is easy to remember. And now this mnemonic commands to CPU telling it what has to be done. Now, example, we have seen already MOV, move for move, ADD, add. Now, these words are called as mnemonics. Now, these mnemonics are followed by one or two operand. Now, what is operand? Operand is a data which is to be manipulated. Now, a given assembly language program is a series of statements or lines. Now, assembly language instructions tell CPU what to do. There are directives included in the assembly programming. So you have instructions telling microcontroller what is to be done, and there are directives. Now directives are not actually instructions, so they are called as pseudo instructions. You can see here they are called as pseudo instructions. Pseudo means matlab it's not real. So assembly, these directives gives direction to assembler. Now we will see, we have already seen that assembler is a program which helps microcontroller to convert, or which converts assembly level code into hex, because microcontroller understands only hex, that is ones and zero, language of ones and zero. So we need to use assembler for converting a program written in the assembly language to hex file. So directives are the instructions given to the assembler. Okay, and instructions like mnemonics, through mnemonics we give instructions to the microcontroller what action to be performed. Now here I have given some examples. Now here you see every program starts with this directive org. Okay, so org 0h. So org is not an instruction, but it is a directive. Okay, so as you see here, directives do not generate any machine code and used to instruct assembler. Okay, so when we convert this program using assembler, then this org, which is actually a directive, it do not generate any hex code. But you can see below here MOV R5 comma hash 25. Now this is your instruction, where MOV, add, all these are called as instruction, all these are called as mnemonic, or these are the actual instructions which generate hex code. Now you see here there are there are commas written. Now when you write a program line, you also write commas here, and and then ahead of this comma you write what does that instruction do. So that is called as comment. You comment. Now commenting is a good practice of writing a code. But when you write a code, you understand what you have done. But if somebody else reads your code, also should understand what you have done. So commenting is a good practice. So comment may be at the end of the line or on a line by themselves. The assembler ignores this comment. Now, how does assembler come to know that these are the commands and not the instruction? We write this semicolon, and next to semicolon we write the comment. So when assembler comes across this semicolon, it ignores semicolon. Now in the program there is something called as label also. So here you see this how instruction is written. Here colon s jump here. Now s jump is a mnemonic, is an instruction, short jump, and here 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 is a label. Now this label is used to refer to a line of code by name. Now obviously when you convert this program using assembler, it generates a hex file. and that hex code, wherever it is written in the memory location, that memory location is tagged here with the label here. So whenever the program is executed, the controller comes to know where to jump. So it is just remember that here is a label. So in a typical program, you have assembler directives, you have mnemonics, you have this semicolon for writing comments, and then there are labels. And obviously, you have operands also. So this is how typical assembly language program looks like. Thank you.